Greetings students. Today's lesson will be for Standard 3, Chapters 1 and 2. Follow the screenshots and the answers I have written and typed down below. Thank you. So this is Chapter 1 for Standard 3, and as it says, every language has an alphabetic order. In English, there are 26 letters of the alphabet. So here we go. The first exercise over here says write the following words in each group in alphabetic order. Look at the first letter of each word. So over here, all we need to do in the exercise is looking at the first letter of each word, we need to arrange them in alphabetic order. So over here, the first one goes drink, sleep, eat, and laugh. So the way to go about this exercise is the children should write down their A to Z, all of them together once, so that they can finish the exercise quickly by identifying the first letters. So the first order is going to be drink, eat, laugh, and sleep. After this, we move on to bed, glue, candle, ant, and fridge. So in order, in sequence, it's going to be ant, bed, candle, fridge, glue. Third one says Potter, Harry, Kavita, Rita, and Jesh. So over here, it's going to be Harry, Jesh, Kavita, Potter, and Rita. Next one in the exercise book says unicorn, rhino, myna, lemon, napkin. So this is going to be lemon, myna, napkin, rhino, unicorn. Moving on to the second exercise. It says join these divided sentences correctly. So in the exercise book, the children should use a pencil and match the columns over here. I have answered them side by side below. So the correct answers should be, for part B, the letter C comes after B. The letter G comes before H. Between H and J comes I. The letters P, Q, R are in alphabetic order. Just before the letter S comes R. There you go. Now the next exercise says, look at the second letter of each word and arrange each group. So over here it's also highlighted the second letter of each word, and all of them need to be arranged in alphabetic order using the second letter. So in the first one, like it's highlighted, A, R, E, and I. So the first one says bathroom, bride, bench, and bird. So once you arrange them in alphabetic order using the second letter, it's going to be bathroom, bench, bird, and bride. So going to the second one, it says Jim, gradually, gift, glove, and guava. Once you arrange them in order, they are going to be gift, glove, gradually, guava, and Jim. Again, going back to the exercise, it says the third one is humor, hillock, hermit, hanger, hot dog. So once you arrange them properly, it's supposed to be hanger, hermit, hillock, hot dog, and humor. Fourth one says drawing, downstairs, disappear, dusty, and dentist. Once you put these in order, it's going to be dentist, disappear, downstairs, drawing, and dusty. The last line says apartment, ambulance, author, airy, and accident. So the answer to that is going to be accident, airy, ambulance, apartment, and author. Now before you start exercise D, just read the box, which is the green box, says learn the pattern. If the word begins with the same letters, look at the second letter in each word of the group. If the first two letters of the word are the same, look at the third letter of each word group. So you need to arrange them in these sequences. Coming exercise, so D, look at the list of things you have been given to buy. Arrange each group of words in alphabetic order. Have fun. So in the first one we have shorts, jeans, socks, dress and jacket. So once you arrange these in alphabetic order, they are going to come to dress, jacket, jeans, shorts and socks. So over here, the reason it's the jacket and jeans, both of them have the letters J as the first letter, but the second letter has A and then after that you have E. That's why they are arranged in that way. Even over here, the first letter of shorts and socks are the same, but using the second letters you arrange them so they become shorts and socks. So this is the way you have to go through the next few lines as well. Now the second one says ice cream, lollipops, chocolates, biscuits and macaroons. So once you arrange them, they are supposed to be biscuits, chocolates, ice cream, lollipops and macaroons. This will be the correct order. Third one, pliers, eraser, pencil, eggs and lock. The correct arrangement is going to be eggs, eraser, lock, pencil, pilers. Fourth one says turnips, tomatoes, potatoes, onions and peas. So the correct order for this is going to be onions, peas, potatoes, tomatoes and turnips, all in alphabetic order. The last one says lilies, roses, leaves, raspberries, strawberries. So the fifth one in order is going to be leaves, lilies, raspberries, roses and strawberries. Moving on to the next exercise, you have now look at the third letter and arrange each group of words alphabetically. So over here you need to arrange them looking at the third letter. So over here the first one is already highlighted, R, S, I, T and N. So you need to put these in order using the third letter in every word. So the first one says burst, busy, build, button and bundle. In order, the first one is going to be build, bundle, burst, busy and button. There you go. Now you can look at it. In the second one, the question is chuckle, chocolate, chart, Christmas and chick. So over here, once you arrange them alphabetically, it's going to be chart, chick, chocolate, Christmas and chuckle. Going back to the third one, you have engine, inquire, end, enter and enemy. So once you put this in alphabetic order using the third letter, it's going to be end, enemy, engine, inquire and enter. On to the fourth one, it says hemline, heel, head, hello and air. So once you put this in order, it's going to be head, heel, air, hello and hemline. Going back to the fifth one, you have midnight, milk, mind, mighty and miracle. Once you put these in order, it's going to be midnight, mighty, milk, mind and miracle. All right. Now in the next exercise over here, it says it's a fun activity. Find 10 things in the picture and circle them. Now put them in alphabetic order. So first you have to find the things in the picture. write them down in the box over here. And once you've done that, you have to put them in alphabetic order. So I can see in the picture there are curtains, there are books, there's a pillow, there's a mattress, there are slippers, there's a sofa, there's a table, there's a book. There's a bread over there, there's a knife, there's a teddy bear, and there's a hanger as well. Once you put this in alphabetic order, it's supposed to be like this. So bed, curtains, drawers, hanger, then after that is the knife, then after that the mat, pillow, sofa, table, and the teddy bear. So this is what they mean by putting it in alphabetic order by looking at the picture.